Embark on a profound journey as I delve into the importance of having goals in life. In this captivating video, join me as I explore the transformative power of setting meaningful objectives, finding purpose, and embracing the essence of a fulfilling existence. Through a tough, provoking narrative, I illuminate the impact of having goals and share insights that challenge the notion of a life without purpose. Welcome to an introspective exploration of life's goals. Join me as we unravel the significance of setting meaningful objectives and discovering the true purpose that infuses our existence with fulfillment and meaning. Our story begins with the realization that life without goals can sometimes feel directionless and devoid of purpose. Without a guiding light to illuminate our path, we may find ourselves wandering aimlessly, unable to tap into our true potential. However, the pursuit of goals provides us with a roadmap, igniting the flames of aspiration and driving us towards self discovery. Goals help us channel our energy, talents, and passion into endeavors that align with our values and aspirations. Having a goal empowers us to transcend the ordinary, pushing the boundaries of what we believe to be possible. It fuels our determination, resilience, and perseverance, enabling us to overcome obstacles and forge our own path. Setting goals not only provides us with a sense of direction but also instills a sense of purpose. It gives our lives depth and meaning, allowing us to make a positive impact on the world around us and find fulfillment in our achievements. While it's true that the journey towards our goals may be filled with ups and downs, it is during these moments that we discover our strength, learn valuable lessons, and experience personal growth. The pursuit of our goals becomes a transformative process that shapes us into the best version of ourselves. However, it's important to remember that goals are not solely about reaching the destination. The beauty lies in the journey itself, the self reflection, the self improvement, and the connections we forge along the way. It's about embracing the present moment and finding joy in the pursuit of our dreams. As we conclude this introspective tale, let us reflect on the profound truth that having goals infuses our lives with purpose, passion, and meaning. It is through the pursuit of these goals that we embark on a transformative journey of self discovery and make our mark on the world. Join us next time as we delve deeper into the depth of human experience, uncovering more inspiring stories and timeless wisdom. Until then, may your pursuit of goals illuminate your path and enrich your life with purpose.